Hey y'all, here's my latest video on factoring quadratic expressions where you have a number in front of your x squared. Pretty straightforward, I hope. If you have questions, let me know. I'll try to help you out. And there you go. Enjoy the video. And as Sophie would say, have fun. So this is tic-tac-toe factoring. We're going to use it when our A is a number. Okay? So, in this particular example, your A is 1, your B is 7, and your C is 6. So, in the top row of your tic-tac-toe board, you're going to put A is 1, B is 7, and A times C is 6. That's the first thing you do. Next, if we can zoom in a little bit, next you're going to start putting some factors. You want to come up with 2 factors of 6 that will add to 7. So 1 times 6 will give you 6. 1 plus 6 will give you 7. So those go in this column. Once you have those in that column, and it doesn't matter which one you put where, that your 6 can go here or your 6 can go there, then you want to find the greatest common factor of the one in this spot and the one in this spot. So the greatest common factor of 1 and 6 is 1. Then the rest of it is not very complicated because we just put the 1 there and we already know our 1 and our 6 here. We can say we multiply up and we get 1 times 1 is 1, so we can fill that 1 in. Then we say 1 times what is 1? Well, 1 times 1 is 1. And then we multiply across and you get 1 times 6 is 6. Now that we have our box all filled in, we can say these are our x's, and you go catty corner in this little box here. This little box here, these 4 numbers are the ones that are important. So you say x plus 6 and 1x plus 1, which we don't need to put that 1 in front. Okay? That's all you have to do. So let's do a little example or two to make sure that we've got it. So on this one, we have an A of 2, a B of 11, and a C of 12. So A is 2, B is 11, 2 times 12 is 24. Now, we need 2 numbers that multiply to give us 24 and add to give us 11. Nothing is coming off the top of my head, so we say 24 is 1 times 24, or 2 times 12, or 3 times 8, or 4 times 6. Okay, 3 times 8 will give me 24. So I'm just going to put those right in there, in whichever order I feel like it. And then I say, now I need the greatest common factor of 2 and 8. Greatest common factor is something that goes into both 2 and 8. So it's going to be 2. Then we multiply up. 2 times 1 is 2. Then we multiply across. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. This column doesn't matter. The numbers in this column, we don't care what they do to each other. This column has to add to 11 and multiply to 24. This column, 2 times 1 has to equal 2. But this column, we don't care. Okay? Now, these are our x's. So we get 2x plus 3. And then catty corner again, 1x plus 4, which we don't need to write that that's 1x because we're big kids and we already know that. So let's do another example. A is 8, B is negative 14, and C is 3, so 8 times 3 is 24. Now you need two numbers that multiply to give us 24 and add to give us negative 14. Because this number is positive, both numbers are going to have this sign, the negative sign. So, what two numbers multiply to 24 and add to negative 14? Negative 2 and negative 12. There you go. So, the greatest common factor between 8 and negative 12 is 4. 4 goes into both 8 and 12. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. These are our x's, and we're going to go catty corner again. 4x minus 1 and 2x minus 3. If you were to FOIL these back out, you would get 8x squared. Let me move that up so you can see it. 8x squared minus 12x minus 2x plus 3, which would be 8x squared minus 14x plus 3. That's all there is to it. There are some differences of squares and greatest common factors in the homework, so you might want to review the last video. All right, have a great day.